Spy Ninjas, in the last video, Chad and PZ9 got this blue concoction from Project Zargo.
They were having like a competition to see who would win it. Apparently it's gonna like give you some sort of upgrade or make you stronger or something. I kinda have a hard time believing that. What is going on back there? What's all that noise?
Oh my gosh, what are you guys doing?
It wasn't me. It's not my fault.
He burnt the turkey!
Oh,
I didn't
man.
burn anything. Stop blaming me.
Does this mean Thanksgiving's ruined?
Thanksgiving must go on. I think we should all split up and try to recreate like the Thanksgiving dinner. Chad, PZ9, you keep an eye on him. You
Yeah,
guys
well.
go get the turkey.
Great, I'll see you later. You ready to get some turkey?
Well, is it because I burnt it?
Of course. You go get the rest of the stuff, okay?
Okay.
Chad, it looks like we're on bird duty.
Yep, gotta pick up that turkey. You can't have a Thanksgiving dinner without a turkey.
I haven't had a Thanksgiving before, so I don't even know.
Wait, this is gonna be your first Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
All right, well, you'll have a Spy Ninja Thanksgiving then.
Wow, I'm actually pretty excited.
You know what else you need to have at a Thanksgiving dinner?
What?
Oh, dude, there's a hacker right there.
Oh, shoot.
He's right here on this bench. What are hackers doing out on Thanksgiving? They should be giving thanks that they aren't getting their butts kicked by the Spy Ninjas right now.
So we sneak around this guy.
You got it.
That's really easy.
Hey, shh. Oh, shoot.
Chad Wild Clay
Ah.
and PZ9 together.
He's running away.
It looks like he's scared of us. He must have saw PZ9 and Chad Welkley together. Like, I can't beat these guys. Wow, what a scaredy cat, huh?
I wonder if he even used his radio to communicate with headquarters, because
What?
he just saw PZ9 and Chad Wild Clay.
Hopefully he didn't radio in from our hackers. Anyway, we need to get to the store, man. We gotta hurry up. We're gonna miss Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What'd you guys get?
All right, well, I got a bunch of different colored beans, green beans, baked beans, all that sort of thing.
I got a cream of mushroom.
Who likes mushrooms?
I do.
And I got my favorite Thanksgiving food, mashed potatoes!
Mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
You know what? I think I kind of want PZ9 to be part of the dinner because I really want to see how he's gonna eat.
Wait.
He has to take off his mask.
That's true, he's always wearing a mask.
Maybe he's gonna do a face reveal on Thanksgiving!
Speaking of Chad, can you guys call him just to make sure that he's okay? And PZ9 and him is not battle royaling right now.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Okay.
He's at the turkey store, right?
Yep, he's getting a big old turkey. Hello, Chad.
What's going on? Did you guys pick up the food?
Yeah, we got the groceries.
Did you get the turkey yet?
Yeah, I got the turkey. We're on our way back. Are you guys too?
Yeah, we're on our way back home.
Meet you at the safe house.
Let's go. Hang up on those losers.
Man, I sure hope they picked up some cranberries. Guys, what is your favorite Thanksgiving food if you celebrate Thanksgiving? Leave a comment down below.
I've always wanted to know what stuffing tastes like. It looks gross, especially where it comes from.
It comes from bread, so
It doesn't come from the turkey?
Nope.
Hey, Chad, last one to the safe house is Orion Banana or something.
Don't drop that turkey! Stop. I want to point something out. If you take a look, see someone hiding behind a tree right here. Do you see this? This guy thinks he's gonna jump out and get us. Like we're gonna be afraid of just one hacker, the two of us, right? Why don't we pretend we don't notice him and we'll walk by him and see what he does?
Okay.
Might be kind of funny.
Let's see it.
All right, I'll stay behind you here.
Turkey Day, everybody loves Turkey Day. Oh my goodness, oh, whoa, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Watch out, he wants to fight.
He might want this turkey.
He wants to battle.
What are you gonna
Hey,
do?
calm down. Give us 1 second here, 1 second.
Excuse me, sir. We're just having a turkey day. If you could just excuse us, we are gonna make our way home right now.
It's time to ruin your Thanksgiving.
Run! Don't let him get the turkey, PZ9!
This guy is so weird.
Why don't you go home and celebrate Thanksgiving? You go this side of the fence, I'll go on this side of the fence. Woo.
Oh, looks like you want some of this turkey, don't you? Well, here.
Yeah, bring it here. You want this turkey? Come and get it. Hey, PZ9! Ah!
Hey, right here.
You're gonna get tired climbing that fence back and forth. Oh! Got it! Yes! Hey! Hacker! Just give up! Ah! He's stuck! He's stuck on the fence! Just give up, Hacker! Go home! Oh my gosh! He's loose! He's loose! Catch the turkey! PZ9! You give up yet? Go home to headquarters and celebrate Thanksgiving. He looks pretty tired, PZ9.
Wow, I give this guy an A+ for persistence.
Oh my gosh. Hacker, dude, just give up, man. You don't need this turkey. PZ9, throw it here. He ain't giving up.
Can I just fight him yet? If I punch him, it's over.
Wait a minute.
What?
What the heck? Wait, guys, get down, get down. Right over there. Yeah, see him? It's a hacker, guys. I don't think he sees us.
Has he been following us this whole entire time?
Why are they following us today? It's Thanksgiving. Are they just trying to ruin our day?
You gave us at least a holiday off to enjoy for once.
Where the heck did they go? I gotta bring that food back to the headquarters. Jeez, I better find them quick or I'm in trouble.
Did you guys hear that? He's after our food.
What the heck? Why is he after food?
We just got these groceries, Daniel. They're too important. Bolt to the safe house, okay?
Yeah.
All of them.
Okay,
Me and V, we can take care of the hacker.
Yeah, just distract him. We gotta save Thanksgiving, okay?
Yes.
It's the only way we can bond with PZ9 and convince him to join the Spy Ninjas, and me and him become best friends, and then we become famous musicians and famous. Good luck, guys. Hey, the camera.
Bye, Daniel. Good
Bye,
luck.
Daniel. Good luck.
I don't know, V. I kind of sent Daniel, but I didn't really think. I don't know if he's the right person to do this.
Ugh, I'm not quite sure either.
Well, if we're close to home, I'm sure he can make it.
Yeah.
Oh
no! Daniel, oh my gosh.
Hand over that food,
Why do you want the food so bad?
because we need it for headquarters.
Okay, fine. I'll give you a bag of food.
Are you seeing this right now? Daniel's just giving away our groceries.
I don't know what he's doing. I mean, are they gonna become friends? Is he gonna make friends with every hacker now?
Take this. Happy Thanksgiving. All right. See you later.
Hey, wait a minute, that's just a rock.
The hacker just ran away.
Yeah, what happened? Let's go get towards it. It's a big rock.
Daniel!
Daniel, you're so smart.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. He really wants that turkey. He's gotta be tired by now.
He's not gonna have any energy to run.
Run. Oh. Oh. Go, PZ9, go. Yeah, this guy's getting tired. Go.
Here, Chad, trade me.
Trade. Woo. Yeah, come and get it, buddy. Whoa! PZ9, let's trade. You throw me the camera, I'll throw you the turkey. Sounds good. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no, the turkey's coming out of the wrapping. PZ9.
It's still in the bag, though. It's good. It's good.
Oh no, watch out.
I got this.
I'll help you.
No.
Oh, hit him with the turkey. Oh no, that's a heavy turkey. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think he's had enough. Oh no, it came out. The turkey came out. Oh no, it fell out. The whole turkey's on the ground. It's all dirty now.
It's still good, right? We're gonna cook it anyways.
No, we can't do that. It's all covered in dirt.
Is it really?
On the ground.
Oh.
Now you're rolling it around on the ground. It's even worse
What
now.
is this? Is this stuffing?
Ew.
What about that guy?
Oh man, he's gonna get up soon, I think.
Maybe we should just give this to him now.
Look at all this! Oh, juices leaking out! Oh, that's gross.
Man, is this what Thanksgiving is all about? Chad, behind you!
Hacker, back up! Watch out, we got a dirty turkey here.
You can get a whole bunch of bacterial infections from that.
Yeah, salmonella, you don't want this. Just back up now or else you're gonna get the turkey. We're warning you.
Okay, well look at this fella. He about to catch salmonella.
Oh, no! PZ9, no, the turkey's really bad now. Let's get out of here. No, he's already down. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get back to the safe house for turkey today. Hopefully Daniel, Regina, and V have got some other types of food other than turkeys. I got an idea. If we can't have turkey, we're gonna have chicken nuggets. At least that'll make Regina happy and some other people happy. I love chicken nuggets too. Okay, let's go.
Can't wait to go home after such a long day.
I know, Thanksgiving dinner. Whoa!
I tripped over something.
Are you sure?
Yes, look, baked beans.
Daniel just bought them. Oh my gosh, he must have a hole in his bag.
Hopefully this is all he dropped.
Yeah, I hope so too. Oh my gosh, let's hurry home. Wait, whoa! Green beans!
These are the green beans. Daniel said he was getting multiple beans. There's definitely a hole in his bag.
Oh my gosh, Daniel. Does he even know that he's missing them?
I don't think so. It's Daniel. Maybe the things that they said about him were true.
Oh, maybe. Where's Daniel? Oh, another bean!
You know what? I'm just gonna call Daniel.
Yeah. Tell him he's missing his beans.
He's not picking up.
What is going on? Daniel?
That's weird. He always.
Oh my gosh!
Thanks a lot there, Spy Ninjas. This will go great for our Project Zorgo Thanksgiving meal.
Are you just trying to ruin our Thanksgiving? Why are you here right now?
We gotta work on Thanksgiving, so it's not gonna be good for us and it's not gonna be good for you either.
What? Aren't you thankful for anything?
Yeah, I'm thankful for how easy it is to take these from you guys.
Hey, those are our beans!
Hey! Get back here! Wait, Regina! Stop! We don't have to chase after that hacker. We can just get more beans.
Fine.
Where is Daniel right now?
If we just keep following the trail of beans, it'll lead us to Daniel.
There's another one. Oh my gosh, where's Daniel? Daniel!
Wait! Those look like Daniel's feetsies.
Oh my god! Daniel! Daniel! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! Oh, my arm! The hacker took the groceries. We got into a battle royale and I lost.
Oh no!
Is your arm okay?
I can't really move it, guys. I think I might have broke it.
Oh my
Watch
gosh!
the arm.
Oh my gosh! Okay, we'll probably need to get you to a doctor, Daniel.
Yeah, I got a big old boo-boo right here.
Okay, come on, let's just get out of here.
Will I ever be able to fly my drone again if I can't move my
Oh,
hand?
your handy dandy drone.
Yeah.
You know what, Daniel? I wouldn't overreact so much. You just probably broke a bone or something.
Where am I gonna get a new bone from?
Okay, PZ9. Now don't go ruining those chicken nuggets as well, you know?
Mind if I just get?
Oh, what happened? What happened? Whoa, no! Oh!
Hey, here's the turkey.
Oh, we lost the turkey. We just got chicken nuggets instead. Just don't use that stun baton on us.
Chicken nuggets.
That's
That's all you got over here?
all we got. Just take them and leave.
Yes, that's all right.
Oh man, PZ9's taking our chicken nuggets, man. What are you doing? Don't drink that, dude. You don't know what it's gonna do. That blue liquid, no. PZ9, there could be negative side effects to that. Hey man, just take the chicken nuggets and get out of here. PZ9, what's happening? No! Oh, oh no, PZ9, stop! Oh, PZ9. Wow! Oh my gosh. I'll take those chicken nuggets back. PZ9, we gotta get out of here. Come on, let's go.
Whoa!
Why'd you drink that?
What just happened?
You drank the blue liquid
Yeah,
and you went crazy on that hacker.
we gotta get out of here, don't we?
Let's go, man. Come on. Get these chicken nuggets out of here.
Woo!
Go, 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 go. Let's go. We gotta get back to the safe house. Hey, what happened? Hey, what happened? Don't fall asleep right now, dude. Wake up.
5 more minutes.
No, why are you sleeping? You just had tons of energy. Why are you sleeping already?
I'm tons of tired.
Come on, let's go. We gotta get back to the safe house.
Okay.
Go. Why are you so tired all of a sudden?
I don't know. I just beat up a hacker. We've been running so long.
But I'm not tired. Let's go. Come on. Man, PZ9, I can't believe you drank that serum. Why would you do that? That could be dangerous, man.
I wasn't about to let that hacker defeat us. He was using a stun baton, so I needed to even the playing field.
What did it feel like?
Well, after I chugged this down, I just felt so strong. My punches were fluid.
Yeah, you took that hacker down like no problem. He didn't stand a chance against you. But
Yes.
then, dude, you fell asleep right afterwards, though. What was up with that?
Maybe it has something to do with just using all that energy at one time.
So do you still feel like really strong right now?
Well, are you gonna let me punch you to find out?
No.
Well, once I woke up from the nap, I didn't feel so good anymore.
Huh.
It's temporary, I guess.
Let's Thanksgiving begin.
We got the groceries, guys.
Yeah, and Daniel is now in a arm sling because of his injury. I wonder if this was all PZ9's fault, guys.
Like, how did those hackers know where we were? I feel like we were just getting groceries. It's not like we're going on a mission, so
It's true.
who told them? We don't have any trackers on us.
You guys are ridiculous. PZ9 did not make hackers come chase us. He's a good person.
How do you know that for sure, Daniel?
Haven't you heard him on the little cajon?
Okay, so he sounds good on a cone.
I am a good person. I make music. He makes music.
Okay, Daniel, make yourself useful. Microwave the turkey.
I don't know how to cook. And also, I can't really use my arm. I'm just gonna decorate the table, okay?
Oh, okay. HGTV it up, Daniel.
Okay.
V, come here. I have an idea. Since we are not so trustworthy of PZ9 yet, I think we should take some of PZ9's DNA.
Oh, how?
So we gotta look around the house, find like a comb or something, and then we can test the DNA to see if he's actually my brother.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Okay, let's
Then
look.
if he's not, we can kick him out.
Yes. We need to find like a comb.
Okay. Oh, here's two. It's a brush, and then another brush without a handle.
I've never seen a brush like this before.
Yeah, what is that? This must be his beard comb.
Yeah. No one else in this household has a beard. Yeah, you're good.
No, I shaved today.
Oh, okay, good. Me too.
What about Daniel?
Oh! I don't know if it's.
I don't.
Let's take one of the hairs.
Okay, got it in a Ziploc bag.
Very nice.
Gonna put it in an envelope. And we're gonna send it to a lab and get it tested.
Perfect.
Now I have my DNA on this envelope. Oh gosh.
Maybe PZ9's your brother.
Ew, no.
Oh, wait. Shh. Who is it?
Wait. Jen, PZ9. Where's the turkey?
It's a long story, but look what we got instead. Chicken McNuggets!
Yay! Good job, guys.
Thanks.
Let me get this straight. PZ9, you destroyed 2 turkeys today?
Yeah, we got 60 pieces of chicken
60!
nuggets. Let's go.
Yay!
Welcome to the Spy Ninjas Thanksgiving dinner!
Look at all that.
Wow.
Today we will be drinking some sparkling apple cider. So, you know, Thanksgiving is all about what are you thankful for? So it is a Thanksgiving tradition to go around the table and tell us, what are you thankful for? Daniel?
Oh, so much, Chad. Where do I begin? I guess I'm thankful for the fact that I have a family. Not you guys, my real family. Even though I don't know who they are, I'm still thankful for that.
We'll help you find them. What are you thankful for, V?
Well, I am thankful for all of you guys because you guys are all my friends who are loyal.
Oh, yeah, wow, that's a good thing to be thankful for, V.
Regina, this one is for you. I want to know, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for PZ9.
What?
Because we could be family, and I'm just thankful that I could have a brother.
Wow, that's nice.
What are you thankful for, Chad?
I'm also thankful for having such an awesome family, including the Spy Ninja family, and for having such an awesome Spy Ninja wife.
Aww.
And I'm very thankful for all the Spy Ninjas as well, all of you who are subscribed, thank you so much. And in fact, if you're not subscribed to V right now, because we're on V's channel, make sure to turn your phone this way underneath the video. If the subscribe button is red, click it, make it turn gray. Let's get V up to 7 million subscribers, so she has 7 million reasons to be thankful, right?
Yes.
PZ9, what are you thankful for?
Oh, the whole bottle.
I'm thankful for the mashed potatoes and the baked beans and the chicken nuggets and the beautifully laid out sauces and then the pecan pie.
Pecan.
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 Is it peekabooing or what's going?
What's it peeking at?
What? The pie.
The pecan?
Yeah, it's pecan pie.
Oh. Happy Thanksgiving! Hey, why aren't you drinking, PZ9?
Yeah, I have this mask thing going on. I'd rather not.
You can take it off if you like.
Yeah, that's okay.
You were just saying how thankful you were for the food. You're not gonna eat it?
Yeah, we're talking about how thankful we are, not how hungry.
What are you on, some sort of diet, PZ9?
I guess not.
Oh yeah, your teeth. Hey, you got.
Oh my God.
You have nice teeth. They're very white. Regina, smile once. They do look like you guys are brother and sister. They're the same teeth.
No way.
Yeah.
V, I am loving these beans. You know what that means?
Yeah, you're sleeping on the couch tonight.
Hey!
Can I just say, whose ever idea it was to get fortune cookies, it was amazing. I love these things.
Thanks. Oh my god, how many have you eaten?
Wait, Daniel, did you just eat it whole? You know there's a fortune in it. There's paper in there.
What? Where's all the fortunes?
Daniel!
He's been eating the fortunes.
There's paper in here?
Yeah.
I've swallowed like 3 of these already.
Oh, Daniel!
Oh man, now we're never gonna know what your fortune is, Daniel.
Well, we'll find out tomorrow.
Ew!
That's pretty regular. It'll be like 2 to 3 days for me.
Hey, Daniel, what happened to your arm, by the way?
Oh, you want to hear the story about how I got
Yeah.
this switch? What is it?
I'm gonna go to the restroom. Regina, do you need to go?
Okay.
Oh yeah. Bye.
Let's hear your story, Daniel.
So I did this awesome like tornado kick. I said, "You want to fight, man?" Whoa.
Alright guys, I hope you're having a great Thanksgiving like we are. But we gotta get back to the real mission of setting this DNA alpha test to make sure that PZ9 is actually related to Regina.
Yes. And once we send it out, we'll figure out if he actually is my brother.
Yes, so thank you so much to all you spy notification ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing your comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me, to Chad, Regina, Daniel, maybe PZ9?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, make sure to click right here for the new video on Exposing Project Zorgo channel. Alright, so let's do a Thanksgiving kick bump. Gobble gobble!